Oh, hello. This is Sherry with Creating Cards with Sherry, and this is my Simple Sunday video. And I am so glad that you've chosen to join me today. Today, I'm going to show you a new product that has come out within our kit collection. We have all sorts of kits that you can choose from and to make things with, but they're all card kits basically, or party favors, if you will. And this is something totally different. If you are a very organized person and you make lots of lists and you need to keep things all together in one spot, or perhaps you have a college student that this would apply to, or maybe a high school student, you definitely want to take a look at this kit. It is called our Celebrate Today Magnetic Board Kit. And it comes with instructions of how to put things together, but I'm going to show you very quickly how it can be done. All right, when you open up the kit, excuse me, it comes with tear tape, different cards that you can write any kind of list or message on it. It comes with stickers for the Dutch, the French, and the German, and of course the English as well. Now, I don't know what I did with my, oh, there it is. And then it comes along with other stickers that you can apply to your lists, and I'll show you how to do that all in a minute. These look like shirts, but they're actually pockets, and we'll fold those together. You can use here's your magnetic board. You can use the background to be a green one, or a pink one, or the black one, or a gray one. And since my office is in the colors of white and gray, I am going to choose this one. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do then is I'm going to flip this over and put my background in it. And it's just like a picture frame. It has these little tabs that you just push up the best that you can. I know sometimes they hurt our fingers. And we'll take this piece out. Sure, easier said than done, right? Let's see here. Okay. And I'm going to slide my piece right in there. That pink is really pretty too. Make sure that you get them in and under all those little tabs as well. There we go. And now we're going to put this back in. Oh, this is the only one I don't have yet. Hang on. Okay. Okay, good. Push these tabs back down. Okay. And I'm going to flip it around so that we're looking at the side that I want. Okay, now before we actually use this, though, we need to create some things. All right, as I said, these little t-shirt things are actually pockets. And I chose to do a couple things differently. They both came in gray and white on one side, and then they had the green and the pink. And I chose actually to keep this one the way it is because I really liked that. And I chose to color this for my pocket, and it looks like I didn't color it all like I should have, but that's because it turns into a pocket. Okay, so what you do is you pull it in, and it comes across this way. You pull it in, you push it out, and you pull it in again. Okay, same thing here. You pull it in, you push it out, and you pull it in again. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take that tear tape, and if I can get the bag open, we'll be on our way. Okay, there we go. There's the spot. And we're just going to take some tape, and we're going to put it right on that top accordion piece. Tear it off. And then I'm going to put one on top of this piece. And tear it off. And then we're just going to take that top layer of paper off, if we can grab hold of it. Sometimes it isn't always easy to get at it. There we go. And then we're going to fold it over, and it's going to make this cute little pocket. Now I chose to do something even more different. Not only did I want to color it, I didn't like that pink background in it. Some of you may like that, but I didn't. And so I cut out a piece that I think will fit right in here. I might have to trim it down a little bit. It might be too wide. But I'm going to put this green piece in here so it looks more like a garden. All right, so I'm going to have to work on trimming that down and fixing that, but that's what I chose to do. All right, again, on this one, we're going to come in, we're going to go out, and we're going to come in. Go in, out, and in. And I'm going to put some tear tape on that. And some there. Oh. Stubborn. There we go. Push this up. Make sure that goes in far enough. And you have your second pocket made. All right, now we get to choose all the fun stuff to put in here. Let's see. I think on this one, I wanted to have a pocket that said dream, so that I can dream about all the things that I want to do with my business. So I'm going to put that right in the middle there. And I'm going to stick that down right there. And I'm going to take these little hearts. And this is where I'm going to dream about what I want to do with my business and put in my goals and see how well I do in achieving those. Okay, that's going to be one pocket. The other one is going to be more of a grateful pocket. And that is, I think a lot of times we get so wrapped up in the work that we're doing. And then when things go wrong, we're just kind of moping like, man, I can't believe it went that way, and we get all upset about stuff. And so I'm hoping that I will remember to celebrate and be grateful for all that takes place in my life. Now I took those out a little too soon. I'm going to cut this apart just to give me an idea of how much room I have. Because I want to make sure that I get this all balanced right on my pocket. Now you can call this what you want. I'm going to call it Celebrate Today. There is a tag here just for grateful if you want to use that, but I decided to use this. And I want to make sure that I get my leaves and my flowers in the right places. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to put one set of leaves right here. Come on. Trying to be careful so I don't tear it, because they are stuck pretty good in there. All right. And I have that up there. And so I want to put the other one down here. And then I thought it would come off my finger. There we go. That can go there. And we're going to put this one I'm going to put it right here. I think it'll look a little different once I take this out. And I'm going to put my Celebrate Today right smack dab in the middle. And then I'm going to start collecting things that I'm grateful for, so that every day I make sure that I'm thinking about the positive, not the negative, not being discouraged by things that don't quite go my way. So this is going to be my dream to-do list, and this is going to be my Celebrate Today in everything that I do. All right. Now, with all these different cards in here, I'm going to have plenty to write on so that I can keep track of all those things. All right. And then along with this kit, came all of our magnets. And these are our magnetic clips. So I'm going to grab this here. Let's see, my top was actually on that end. All right. And I'm going to put my little clip on here. And once I get my green paper in there, I'm going to finish that off, and I'll put my other pocket up here. And then perhaps I want something a little more immediate to write down for the day. So then I will have a actual to-do list. And maybe I'll have to remember what to pick up at the store. I'll use this one. So I'll make a list like that. And there I have my magnetic board. Isn't that cool? I just love it. I love this. It is so fun. And it's small enough that it can be put into any room. And you can call them whatever you want and keep your family organized, keep yourself organized. The college student can keep things together at school as to what studies they have to do and things that they're involved in. And your teens can do such a thing as well. Maybe you even have a youngster that just loves to keep lists. And it would be a good way to teach her or him to stay organized. And I got something all messed up here. Gonna have to clean that off. But it's just a fun kit to get. And it's not that expensive. I think it's about $25 for the whole thing. And if you're interested in purchasing this kit, you can go to my store, Creating Cards with Sherry at Stampin'Up.net. Once you put your order in, make sure that you put in this host code right here so that you will be able to get any special rewards that I may be handing out. All right? And that's all there is to it. Check out my blog, Creating Cards with Sherry, at blogspot.com. You can also check out my Facebook business page, Creating Cards with Sherry. And you will find more information about this wonderful kit that we have just come out with. So you have a great day and a wonderful weekend. And we will catch you again on Tuesday for Tickled Tuesday. Bye now.